Yo, welcome back guys. So in today's video I'm gonna go ahead and actually do the headliner in the Corolla. I don't know if in the daily video, the first intro video or whatever that I did, if I actually showed you the interior of the actual headliner, or like the inside of the car and the headliner, how drooping it is. So like the previous owner put a bunch of like thumbtacks in the back, tried to keep it up, but it's kind of like annoying and ugly to look at. So I went ahead and ordered that foam headliner stuff. It got in like a darker gray. I'm trying to make the interior look more like stock and just keep it like simple and clean inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and take apart most of the interior pieces today and try to get it all prepped and ready, so tomorrow we can wake up early before like the heat gets out, and then we can actually spray down and throw the foam on top and get it done.
So if you can see, guys, like up here, this part of the interior, how many pins is in this, and it's like drooping down, and then like right here the light too, it's drooping down. So yeah, that's a no-no. We're gonna get rid of that and then throw some sick new liner. It's gonna hopefully match like this color gray. I don't know if you can see that, or that gray, or the floor carpet gray, but yeah, I'll try to tie in the top and make it look a lot better.
Here we go guys, got this trim piece remover. I don't know where I got it, but it'll help you in the long run if you guys get one of these. Help you keep your car not broken. Doesn't sound right, but keep it not broken. Epic fail, dropped it. So we got pretty much most of the trim off already, and you could already see it starting to sag. I guess that was like the last of it, just the trim holding it in. But make sure once we get this and then the two visors and this mirror right here, maybe it falls off or we can just get it off. But yeah, that's how not stuck that is to the roof right now. So here it is, guys. Kind of cracked a couple of the pieces, like these corners and that corner right there, but yeah, I guess it did have some foam because it kind of like a little bit furry, but I'm gonna have to clean that up. I'll probably try to, like, I don't know, fix those corners and glue them back, and then in the morning we'll probably spray it and then put the new carpet on. Here we go, guys. I ended up making just like a new piece right here. It has a bunch of duct tape right now, but I got like, because it's kind of like a little thin piece of foam, so I got like one of those square food trays, which is basically foam, and it kind of fit perfect right here. So I just traced it out and then pretty much duct taped it up and fixed that spot. I put a couple pieces of tape in like some other broken spots, so it kind of cooled down outside right now. So I might just put this down and actually just spray the upholstery on today, so it'll kind of cure and dry overnight, and then I can put it in tomorrow morning. So kind of cut the process down. But earlier I got like the broom. Let me set this bad boy down. So I got the broom earlier, and they had like that old foam and it's like glue, just old on there. So I went ahead and got the broom and just like brushed it all off, just so this is kind of, it's not clean because that's super dirty, but I mean, it's a cleaner surface than having like that foam and old glue on there. So now we're just gonna pretty much spray glue and throw the upholstery on. But I'll probably do like half and half, just so I can smooth it out with my hand and just get everything nice and like
shaped and formed through all these like probably shaped through all this. It's not that bad, just this the front part, just get that nice and shaped up. Snap. It's right here. This is like it's like a mid-gray, so hopefully it matches like the carpet and stuff. But yeah, we'll probably cut out a piece because I think I bought a lot of extra just in case I mess up, because you never know, first time doing it. So I'll probably lay it over there, get scissors and cut like a rough layer and then glue it. Okay, so I tried my best to get this to kind of form. I mean, it doesn't look like it's that like perfect formed, but I don't know if it's just the material, because I put a lot of glue and it's stuck on that. But I think it's just like stretching or something. But it honestly looks way better. So I'll probably let this like dry for a little bit, a couple of minutes or so, and then I'll probably flip it over and cut out like the shape. And then we're gonna spray glue on the other side, just like a little layer, just so I can fold this over and just make it nice so it doesn't like peel off like the last one. Now we just cut out the holes for that, and then like the handrails and everything else, and then it should be pretty good to go. Whoa, I love how that came out. Dude, it's so hot right now. I had like product in my hair. Now it's like drooped down and so sweaty. But I think that's gonna be it for today. We'll probably the next scene cut till tomorrow of me actually installing it all back together and seeing how it looks. So yeah, boy, see you guys till tomorrow. Come here. Sweet. Oh, zoom out. All right, guys, so we finished putting all the trim pieces back on. I got these all clipped up.
There were a couple that were broken, so overnight I kind of like epoxied them back together. Some still don't really stick in, but yeah, this is what it looks way better than that other crappy stuff that was all hanging down and like all pinned back there. But yeah, look, it looks all nice. Maybe we'll get a little B-roll in there. Yo guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. It's really hot outside, so I'm gonna do this quick and fast. Thanks again for watching. Continue to watch this build. If you want to like, subscribe, or thumb wrestle down below, just let me know. Throw any comments if you like me. Throw any comments down below just on anything, and see you next time.